Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. I'm here to help you get the most of the software. In today's video, we will be designing an interior of a small-sized house. Whether it is a small bungalow or a big mansion, first that we need to do before jumping into designing is to select the style that we want to go for. There's loads to choose from, starting from contemporary through modern, farmhouse, Japandi, minimalist, maximalist, boho, rustic. You can either decide on a one style or you can mix them. I'm actually a fan of mixing styles, as then you can add a really nice uniqueness to the interiors that you're designing. If you decide to mix styles, just remember to keep the balance in between the styles. It is also quite important to keep the same style throughout the full house. I think that cohesive space is the key to a good design. You can elevate your design by adding different shades of your chosen colors, patterned wallpapers, and decorative pieces. Decorative pieces can totally transform the space. Let's start so. As you can see, I already have my floor plan created, and now I will name all the rooms. To name the room, you click on the room, you go to Edit in the top center of your screen, and now you can give it a name. For this project, I've chosen oak floors. I applied the same texture on the doors and baseboards, and for the contrast, I've used black framed windows and glass crystal doors. The style I'm going for, it's contemporary mixed with modern organic and Japandi. By using natural materials and muted colors, I will give it a more timeless feel. I will switch back to 2D and I will start creating my layout. As you can see, I have most of my furnitures in place. I've also created some bespoke items to utilize the space even more. Now I will add some more textures, lighting, and some decorative pieces. In 2D mode, I will use the ruler tool to space out my ceiling lights. To keep the interiors cohesive, I applied the same texture on the floors throughout the house, on the skirting boards and on the doors. I used the same windows everywhere, just simple ones with a black frame, and I added black glass crystal doors to add more interest. I've used the same base color, which is a neutral white, for the entire house for walls and ceilings. I've also used the same marble texture in the kitchen, in the laundry room, in the pantry, and in the bathroom. Using the same materials throughout the full house allows you to create a flow between each room. I've added pattern wallpapers to add interest and elevate interiors. Dark wood design in the living room. Beige tones wallpaper for the bedroom to contrast with the dark wood furniture. And another pattern in the home office. I've also added a bespoke pieces like this kitchen to maximize the storage space. Also added custom built-in cabinets in the laundry and in the pantry. In the entire house, we can see elements of contemporary, modern organic, and Japandi style. By using natural materials, interior looks timeless and inviting. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr. Thank you for watching and happy designing!